To every woman wondering if her bookkeeping career still fits, this is your sign. If you've stepped away from the bookkeeping world for a while, maybe to raise your family, care for others, maybe to simply catch your breath, welcome back. This is your reminder that your skills are still valuable and viable. You haven't lost your edge, you just need to sharpen it again. Bookkeeping is one of the few careers that truly flexes with your life. Whether you're returning part-time or ready to ramp up really quickly, it's still flexible, in demand, remote friendly, and full of growth opportunity. But honestly, a few things have changed. So if it's been a few years, here's what you might have missed. Cloud accounting is the norm right now, although I'm still a desktop QuickBooks purist. Automations are everywhere. Client expectations have shifted. Advisory work is no longer just for CPAs. So it's not about relearning everything. It's just about brushing up and leveling up so that you can confidently step back in. You've already got all the instincts. It's just time to refresh the tools. You want to brush up on accounting tech like QuickBooks Online, Xero, Dext, workflow systems, industry best practices, and how to position yourself as a pro, not just a pair of hands. At Maven, we work with experienced bookkeepers who are ready to scale. So if you're still brushing off the dust, take that time, do the prep, skill up first. There are great programs, refreshers, certifications, all available at your fingertips. And when you're ready to step into the systems that scale your business, that's where Maven supports you. You didn't lose your talent, you just paused your practice. And now, with the right support and updated skills, you can return stronger, smarter, and more in control than ever. Your second act might just be your most powerful one yet. Reclaim your expertise, build your momentum, and rise. Please like, share, and subscribe for system-minded strategies geared to help you get back in business. And check out our attachment below, Brush Up Before You Boss Up. And as always, if you've got another 4 minutes, we have another video. Next up, let's see. Ooh, this is a good one. Commanding respect versus demanding it. The hidden power in networking. Big difference between commanding respect and demanding respect. Let's make sure you know what that is. See you there.